Okay. Hello, guys. You are welcome to our NECO Physics Past Question Solution Series 2023. So here we have question 12C and D. So we're going to look at this question on table and the D part of the question. Here's the question. I have bring it out here. So the first question says, determine the value of A and B. So we are looking for the corresponding value of A and B from this table. So when you have this type of question, it's a very simple and straightforward question. So it's telling you that when distance is 0, time is 0, and t squared is also 0. And when distance is 10, the corresponding value of time and time squared is 2, 4, respectively. So in order to tackle this type of question, all you need to do is to look at the trend. If you look at it, when t is equal to 2 here, so when t is equal to 2, what is t squared? T squared is equal to 4. T squared simply means you're going to square the value of what? Of t, which is 2. You square it, that will give you 4. So that is it. So the same thing you do in this one. When t is equal to 3.16, so what is t squared? T squared is equal to, corresponding value of t squared here is A. So you put A. Now, it shows that anywhere you see t, you just what? Put 3.16. So we have t squared here. That implies 3.16 all squared is equal to A. So you just press your calculator. That implies A is equal to 9.985. So that is the value of A. I've gotten that one. The next is value of B. How do we get value of B? The same thing you did. When T is equal to B here, so T is equal to B. What is the corresponding value of T squared? T squared is equal to 22. So T squared is equal to 22. So anywhere you see T, you put B there. So that implies I have B squared will be equal to 22. So when you have this in mass, B squared is equal to 2, then you find the square root of both sides. So you just put the sign of square root here. Also, sign of square root on this, which is 22. So are we good? So here, this we cancel this. This implies that B is equal to the square root of 22. So press your calculator, you have the value of B, which is equal to 4.69. 4.69. So it's very simple. I hope it is understood. So if this is understood, let's move to question 12D quickly. So question 12D, here, an object weighs 0.27 Newton in air. So weight of object in air, weight of object in air is equal to 0.27 Newton. And 0.20 Newton when fully immersed in water. So weight of object in water is equal to 0.20 Newton. So you asked to calculate the relative density of the object. So we are looking for relative density of object. So that's what we're looking for. So the next thing to do is to recall the formula or the relationship between relative density, weight of object in air, and the equal volume of object or object displaced. Yes. So we have this formula which says that relative density is equal to weight of object in air all over the upthrust in a object. So when an object is immersed inside water completely or partially, the water will exert an upward force, and that upward force is what is known as upthrust. So upthrust is equal to the differences between the weight of the object in air and the weight when immersed in water. So that will be 0.27 minus 0.20, which will give us 0.07. I hope this is understood. So when you get this, now bring back your formula, relative density. Weight of object in air is 0.27 all over the upthrust in object, which is 0.07. So press your calculator, you will have 3.85. 3.85. It has no unit because here is in Newton and here is in Newton. They will cancel each other. So you have your relative density to be 3.85. Thank you for watching. Do ensure you subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and ensure you share for others to benefit. Thank you. God bless you.